All right, we're gonna hit a pose. Right there, take it down. And right, take it down. Left, right, pop it. Take it out.
Doesn't anyone dance in this town no more? Why am I the only one on the dance floor? The DJ's killing it, drinks is poured. I don't like none of y'all hoes, I'm bored. I'm trying to get loose with it. Shake a little something, get a whole crew with it. Shots to the head, get a whole room spinning.
We're gonna take it to the right. Right here.
I like to
two, hold it.
I like to get it started. I'm spending all my money. I'm not
now hit that pose again.
I like to party. I like to get it started. I'm spending all my money.
Pop it.
I'm not leaving till morning. Drag me out.
They're dragging you out. Turn it out. Four corners.
Drag me out.
Hey, to the back.
Do what I do. Cause I'm in a whole different mood from you. Drag me out.
We're gonna go back to the beginning. Right here.
Take a pic of the last song. Let it go cause they play my song. If I don't get down, let it be wrong. Let it go on, I'ma need to rewind. Woo, this drink is too strong. There's 2 years on my one. There's no more words for this song.
Last one.
Da 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 da. Hey, I like to party. I like to get it started. I'm spending all my money. I'm not leaving till morning. Hey, I like to party.
I like that one too.
Get it started. I'm spending all my money.
Pop it.
I'm not leaving till morning.
Turn it out.
These hoes better drag me out.
You're at a party. You're having a good time. You ain't going home now.
I'm in a whole different mood from you. Drag me out.
Last one. Pose.
I like to party. I like to get it started. I'm spending all my money. I'm
Pop
not
it.
leaving till
Where's your friends? Where are they? The party animals, the party starters. We're gonna walk it up. 1, 2, shake it back. Again, 4 corners. Own it. Shake it.
Doesn't anyone dance in the sound no more?
Hey. Last one.
I don't like none of y'all who's on board.
Hey. Thank you so much for joining me and my amazing, fabulous dance crew. We hope that you had a great time. This was a little snippet, little tasty taste, sneak peek of a 40-minute workout that is on our app, our website. It's called The Studio Online. You can look it up. We have 6 different apps: Apple Store, Apple TV, Android, Roku, Fire Stick, any device. You can watch it anytime, anywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of on-demand videos, and we live stream right from headquarters here every single day of the week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a great day.